Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to fix ChatGPT access denied error code 1020. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This tends to happen due to heavy traffic to the website. Now, a heavy traffic to a website can certainly cause it to crash, especially if it is not designed to handle a certain large number of visitors or lacks sufficient resources, for example, your bandwidth, server capacity to support the traffic. So whenever you're facing this issue, make sure the first thing you do is refreshing the browser. Then you can switch to a different browser, or if it doesn't work, then you can restart your computer. And if that does not work either, then you can go ahead and try clearing your ChatGPT cache. So for that, let's open up our web browser. And now click on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. After that, select Privacy and Security. And now from here, select Cookies and Other Site Data. Now scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now search for OpenAI in the search bar, which is located at the upper right corner. Here we will delete all the cookies related to ChatGPT. To do this, click the trash icon and click Clear. Also click Extensions and turn off the extensions here. We're doing this because one of the extensions might block ChatGPT from running. So once you do this, you can check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the problem is not solved, then you can try this another method. The second method is to use a VPN. To do this, open your browser and enter Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Now click on the link. Now after entering Chrome Web Store, type VPN in the search bar. Now from here, you can pick one of the VPNs from the results and add it to your browser. After selecting the VPN, click Add to Chrome and then add extension. Now using this VPN, you can test if the problem is solved. So yeah, this way you can fix ChatGPT error code 1020. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.